Hi, my name is Robert Velez. I'm the sales director with Easescreen. And what I'm going to show you today is how you can actually make interactive content using our software. It doesn't take any type of special programming. It's all just drag and drop. As you can see here, we've already created a screen and we've just added basically 2 buttons to it. This is just a very simple example. You can make all different types of buttons. You can make anything on the screen really interactive. But in this case, let's say you wanted to switch from one video to the other. You could just click on the button and automatically switch from one content to the other. This is extremely useful, especially if you're going to do any type of presentation, or if you have a variety of content that you want to show on the screen and you want the customer to have the control to be able to see the different content by creating some interactive buttons or making the screen itself interactive. You can change from one content to the other. And you can see this all on our website at www.easescreen.com.